Hi guys, today I will show how to make dark mode on your YouTube. First of all, you need to go to youtube.com. Then click the icon on your YouTube channel. Just select here appearance device theme. After clicking it, you will show three options: dark theme, light theme and use device theme. You need to select dark theme for dark mode. This is the dark mode on your YouTube. If you are not signed in user on youtube.com, then this is not signed in YouTube. Okay, for this you need to go three dot option and select this appearance device theme. After clicking here, you need to select dark theme. This is the dark mode on your YouTube.